teaching you how to install your Aromalink diffuser with sun vents. So to start, we're gonna use the mounting bracket, which comes in your box, as well as the screws that come with your box as well. So this mounting bracket, you're gonna find a spot where you want it mounted. And when you're doing this, just keep in mind, we're gonna be installing an airflow sensor that needs to be above this. So just try and find a nice spot that's pretty low. So you'll find where you want it mounted. And then you'll grab your screws and your drill. And put those in. So now I'm going to teach you how to put together your drill bit, which will be for installing your airflow sensor. So it looks like this when you get it. And to put it together, we'll get all your parts out. So you'll just take this guy, and then this one you'll see has a flat edge right here. And you just want to line that flat part up with this little hole right here. So you'll just put it in like so, and then you'll just tighten that down. So now that we've put together our drill bit, you're gonna put it into your drill. And then you're gonna drill it into your supply duct to then install your airflow sensor. So now that we've created a space for our airflow sensor, we're gonna put that in, which is this little piece. So you'll see that there's arrows on it, and you'll just wanna make sure those arrows face whichever way your air is flowing. So in this case, it's gonna be facing up because our air is going that way. So you just push this right into the hole that you just made. Okay, so now we are going to mount the sun vent itself, and this will just slide right onto your mounting bracket, like so, and you can hear it kind of snaps in. Then you're going to take your Wi-Fi antenna, which looks like this, and it just screws on right here in this top corner. And then you'll just want to point that to your nearest Wi-Fi router, like so. Then you'll take your tubing like this, and you're going to start by putting it into your airflow sensor. And then you don't want any loops in this, so you can see ours is just barely a little bit long. So we're gonna cut this down a smidge. Perfect. And then this will just fit right into there. And then once you've done that, you're gonna take your cord and just plug it right in. So this will go into your airflow sensor as well as onto your machine, like that. Then you're going to take your power supply and you are going to plug this end in right by your power switch on your sun vent machine, and then plug it into your power source. Okay, so now that we have everything installed, you're ready to just pop your bottle in. So you'll take your favorite scent, and then you'll pop off this cap, and you'll notice that there's like a little O tubing right here, and make sure that comes off with your cap, because if not, it can cause leaking. So make sure that the bottle is the only thing going in. Then you'll take your keys, you'll unlock your machine, you'll screw your bottle in to the machine. Perfect. And then you can turn on your machine right here. You'll see your screen turn on where you can program, and then you are all set and ready to go. And if you have any questions about pairing your machine to our app or any further questions, feel free to check out our other videos or give us a call, and we hope you enjoy your product.